I think the best. So I just want to say thank you to everybody. Since I joined the system in September, the nursing staff has been unbelievable in your outreach to me, your welcoming to me, just being part of this system. It has meant so much to me to see everybody. I know I've been starting to get in everybody's areas and talking to everybody a lot, and really understanding the culture within our RN staff. I am so thankful to be part of this team, and truly I just wanted to recognize all of you and say thank you. It's really a great honor to have Mayor Barlow with us today, to have a leader in our city who's very helpful with us on a number of different issues, but really somebody that's leading the charge here in Oswego, revitalizing our community for all of our staff, for all of our residents, for all our physicians, and most importantly for our community and our patients. So it's my pleasure and honor to introduce Mayor Barlow.
Thank you. First, thanks for having me, and it's great to do this proclamation. I don't remember doing this before, but what an appropriate year to actually start giving everything that happened in 2020 and 2021. I just want to thank everybody on behalf of all the residents of the City of Oswego and Oswego County. Obviously, throughout COVID and the pandemic, Oswego Health has led the way here locally in terms of healthcare and having our heroes and frontline workers really protect our community and step up to serve during this really crazy, chaotic, and dangerous time. But there's light at the end of the tunnel, right? So we're making our way through it, and I think it's appropriate now more than ever to recognize those who really stepped up when we needed them most. So I'll briefly read this proclamation and then turn it over to Val. The City of Oswego proclamation is recognizing Nurses Week in Oswego, New York as May 6th through May 12th, 2021. And it reads, whereas the over 3 million nurses in the United States constitute our nation's largest healthcare profession, and the nursing profession plays a critical role in improving patient outcomes, increasing access, coordinating care, and reducing healthcare costs. And whereas the depth and breadth of the registered nursing profession meet the different and emerging healthcare needs of the American population in a wide range of settings. And whereas a renewed emphasis on primary and preventive health care will require better utilization of all of our nation's registered nursing resources, and whereas more qualified registered nurses will be needed in the future to meet the increasingly complex needs of healthcare consumers in this community, and whereas along with the American Nurses Association, Oswego Health, other local healthcare providers in the City of Oswego find it more than appropriate to recognize and publicly thank and praise our local healthcare professionals during the month of May, otherwise known as National Healthcare Month, and specifically wish to acknowledge nurses. Now therefore be it resolved that I, William J. Barlow Jr., as Mayor of the City of Oswego, on behalf of the Oswego Common Council and the residents of the City of Oswego, declare the week of May 6th through May 12th as Nurses Week in the City of Oswego, New York, in an effort to express gratitude to nurses and healthcare professionals in and around the City of Oswego for their service and commitment to their patients in and around the Oswego community, and encourage citizens to show our appreciation for our community's nurses, not just during this week, but at every opportunity throughout the year. Dated today and signed by me. So I'll present this to you and turn it over to Val for some comments.
So I'd like to first start by saying how very proud and honored that I am to have you all as my colleagues and to have you as part of the Oswego Health team. So this past year we've proven that we can weather any storm. And the incredible contributions that our nursing staff have made by providing health care to our community do not go unnoticed. You have been committed, you have been dedicated, and most of all, you've been resilient. And despite the challenges that you have faced, you continue and continuously embrace our core nursing values, and you demonstrate high professionalism in all of the care that you provide. So on behalf of senior leadership, our board of directors, and most importantly, on behalf of the residents of our community that you have all helped, thank you